Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I'm back with one of my new Lightroom preset editing tutorial. I have created this preset by myself and I use it on a very regular basis. I really hope you guys learn something and enjoy this video. So without wasting much time, let me take you ahead.
Hello guys, welcome. So first of all, install Lightroom Mobile. Now export the picture you want to edit to Lightroom Mobile. Go to the Lights panel and set the exposure to 0.60. Set the contrast to 3. Set the highlights to -55. Set the shadows to 87. Go to the whites and set the whites to 44. Set the blacks to -27. We are not going to make any changes to the curves, so you can go ahead to the color panel. In the color panel, set the temperature to -2. Set the tint to -1, vibrance to 8, and saturation to -3. Now go to the color, select red, set the hue to 22, set the saturation to 24, leave the luminance to 0, go to orange, set the hue to 24, set the saturation to 23, set the luminance to 40. Now go to yellow and set the hue to -35. Set the saturation to 30 and the luminance to -7. Now go to green and set the hue to -42. Set the saturation to 18 and the luminance to -21. Go to aqua and set the hue to -29, saturation to +29 and the luminance to -21. Go to blue and set the hue to -36, saturation to 35 and the luminance to -26. Go to purple and set the hue to -14, saturation to 16 and luminance to -26. Go to magenta, set the hue to 22, saturation to 17 and luminance to -25. Click Done and go to the Effects panel. In Effects, decrease the texture to -8. Increase the clarity to 2. Set the dehaze to 12 and decrease the vignette to -38. Increase the midpoint to 64 and the feather to 52.
Just a minute. I am so sorry to interrupt, but if you have watched this video till now, I'm pretty sure that you're learning something. And if you are, do not forget to subscribe and like. I think that is the least this video deserves. Back to the video.
Now go to the Details panel and increase the sharpness to 5. Leave the radius to 1 and details to 25. Now go to Noise Reduction and set it to 20. Leave the details to 50 and now go to color noise reduction and set it to 20. Leave the details to 50. Your picture is ready. You can now save the picture and copy the settings and paste it to other pictures of yours to apply the same settings and the same preset. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
Oh, hi. Well, I am going to teach you a new preset editing. Welcome back. For that, I am going to take you. Today, I am going to take you through a new editing preset. And welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I'm going to teach you. So I'm going to take you step by step of how to create it, use it and save it. To use it.
And have is shared and received. And through this having and giving and sharing and receiving,
so I hope by the end of this video you will be one step ahead and will be having a new preset. Why you talk too much? You talk too much. Keep it simple. Keep it simple.